Hello, my people. This one you go TV. Regina Daniel don't come again. She say the love where her husband they give her. He say him too much. Even the love will be waiting when they see for social media. A seventh wife they talk like this, yo. You will be first wife. Enough waka. My husband is not doing anything for me. My husband this. My husband that. Even she they cook. Her husband go tell her and say, stop cooking. Why are you cooking? Yo, my first wife will be yo. Boke baptize je sie nri n'ike adịrọ ya. A na-ayọkwa ya gị si elu dị ya nri. Just they play. And some people are complaining about this girl, say she married the man because of money. She married the man because of money. Remember, before she married the man, she already celebrity. She have money. Some girls will be, no, I will not marry. If I'm Regina Daniel, I will not marry. Nne mụta anyị nwere ike ịnụ yourself talk more of ngịnwa. Your mama feel married. Talk more of you when they talk like that. Onwe ya ebe a na-echisi ọzọ, ebe a na-arụ agwụ. Regina, she's a seventh wife, oh. But if you go say atafa, eh? My prayer is that any woman will find your own man. But remember, not be every girl will get married. So far this world is concerned. Remember, amu why 3 million in a day? If I'm Obobu, only 1 million male. So the population of women is multiplying every day. Try to be a good woman. Chakwa every alone, no girl. Any man you find yourself with, try to make yourself happy. Bless the nutazi ọgbanje. Ọ bụ na nutazi ndị a bụ ndị a bụ ịma na ụmụ nwoke bụ nkịta ala. If you find yourself in a nkịta ala place, then ịgbawazie ka ọkpa ịra. Mana ọ bụrụ na ịbata ebe bụ ebe isi ike na Regina Daniel ka ọ na-enwere aṅụrị, seventh wife for that matter. Seventh wife. She married at age of 19, right? Or 18. She's still happy. So you will be first wife or second wife. Be happy. After all, there's a Bible quotation where it talks say, time shall come. I'm this one, all the woman why Gala people here. Ma, see this guy, you go over. Quotation, get a Bible quotation.